Good morning, guys. At this moment I'm seeing that we could probably enter a sell. Let me open my MetaTrader. Okay. Just a second. Guys, I'm still not entering a trade. I think we should try this. I will write it in the group. It's still a little bit risky because it's on the trend line, but I think it's not bad. Let's see what is going to happen. Let me adjust. The entry is here. The profit on this bottom right here, and the stop loss here. Because I saw that DXY is also, oh, it didn't reach the order block, but it started to get some rejection. So we'll see. As you know, I don't pretty much like the order box from the Asian session, but this one is not bad. We have 1, 2, 3 and huge fall breaking all the previous bottoms. So we'll see. Let me adjust the stop loss in my trading view, in my MetaTrader. Okay, for now the price rejected here. We'll see. As I told you, it's from the Asian session. It didn't break the trend line. So we're gonna give it some time. But eventually it could break. Possibly it could also break these two tops, like a liquidity. But it's still early. Let's see what eventually will happen. Also, as you know, let's join TikTok. And let's hope that the price made a breakout. If not, this is 25 pip stop. That's why I'm willing to give it a try. For now the price is rejecting here, so probably it will not turn good. It will be probably like a liquidity zone, but it was a very shallow stop, so I preferred to give it a try. Today is Friday. As you know, Fridays are different for trading. but today we have important news at 6 p.m. my time zone. So until then, we'll see whether we will have some huge moves or the market will be slow. Okay, not so much people in the live this morning, but probably because it's Friday. Yesterday I had a very tough night. The baby couldn't, had some stomachache or something like that, so it couldn't sleep, so we also couldn't sleep. Okay, for now it's not rejecting at all, but I told you it's really shallow stop, so I decided to give it a try. Probably it's early, but we'll see. Yeah, I'll go this pushing, so probably this area will not play any role for now. On 4 hour, you can see it's still pumping. There is a very nice order book on 4 hour, so probably the price will reach at first and then we'll make some corrections or some movement. Okay, so probably this zone will not play any role. Let's wait a little bit, because I saw last time when I saw that yeah, I was about to tell you that DXY is trying to push up, but no, probably the gold will reach the 4 hour order book and then we'll start to make some movements. I decided to enter this because on 1 minute I saw that a very nice candle formed with eventual breakout, so I thought, okay, it's getting the rejection, but you can see after that the price started to pump up. Yeah, if it reaches the 4 hour order book, we probably will give it a try. Let me check it on, but it's far away from now. Where are you? I can't even find it. Okay. We'll see later. Probably this zone will not play any role. But let's wait a little bit to see, because the 15-minute candle is still opened. But it's looking like they're trying to push the gold up. So I'm not much positive about this trade. The stop loss is 25 pips. 2365.5, but if you haven't entered, don't, because for now it's not seeing any good rejection, because I thought here it started to look good, but the next candle, you can see on the 5-minute candle, it's get rejected, and after that huge bullish candle. So for now, if you haven't entered, don't do it, because it will probably continue. It will probably break these two tops. So wait. If you haven't entered, wait, because it started to not look so good. Eventually, if it makes some breakout on this trend line, it will probably make some pips that will give us place to at least move the stop loss on break even. Okay, DXY started to pump up for now. Let's see. Yeah, no power at all. Let me check. We are currently yeah, they will push the gold up, because you can see DXY started to get some rejection, but the gold is still pumping. So guys, this zone will not last. Yeah, the price will break it. So Okay, I'm 8 pips on momentum loss. So now, guys, there is one 1 minute trend line here. Let me adjust it a little bit. Let's say something like that. And eventually it will be very good if the price breaks it. But I'm still not very positive about the outcome because no, if it's order book, we should see some volumes here. So as I told you, I don't like trading these Asian session zones because most of them don't play a huge role. We'll see. I told you I decided to enter because I saw that DXY is forming some bottom and started to make some rejection. Let me put this here. Come on. You know what time it is, right, guys? We have to start swearing. Guys, today I will announce the starting of the beginner circle. It will be an accelerator for beginner traders who wants to enter the world of trading but have little to none experience and knowledge. So I will make live coaching sessions with everyone who wants to join and teach you everything from what exactly forex is, how to draw trend lines, how to find support and resistance zones and stuff like that. Beginner stuff. Also, we will go through some strategies. So basically everything we're gonna talk about: money management, about psychology, and many more stuff that will be like the first steps that you need to know if you want to start trading. So if you're interested, I will announce it later today. It will be something, not something, but it will be $10. It's not free because I want everyone who wants to be part of it to have some action, to make some action about it, not just to attend whenever he wants, because okay, this one will hit us. Yeah, it will definitely hit us. Yeah. Ring on the year, guys. We are not going to trade Asian session order box again. And now the price grabs the liquidity. Oh, fucking hell. I don't know, I didn't thought about it. Yeah, stop loss hit 25 pips. We'll see about the beginner circle classes. Probably because I will join you in another group, so probably whoever wants to attend, I will make some poll so everyone can say. But no matter, even if you could not manage to attend, they will be available to watch after that. So yeah, now the price hit our stop loss and grabs the liquidity, and now started to return. The reason I put stop loss here and not above this area was because I was not sure. I thought that probably the price will break the previous top, but I didn't know how much exactly it will going to break through. So even if I put it here, I don't know, sometimes it started to go up and then returns. But I think if it closes like that, we are going to sell it again, guys. Yeah, I will enter again. If you don't want to risk it, don't enter, but I think it's good because it grabs the liquidity and closes with a rejection. It's still risky, but guys, I will give it a go. If it hits me second time, I will end this live session, guys. It's the day will start bad. Okay. Yeah, there is a possibility to explode and to go up. Now the DXY started to return. Probably I rushed a little bit with these selling entries because the market is still slow. There no pressure, I mean, and the price is just continuing to go up. But again, this stop is 14 pips. I'm willing to try it. That's why I told you, if you're not willing to try it, stay away. how I find this entry, because I entered first time here on the order book, but the price breaks the liquidity here, these two tops, and closes with a huge rejection. So I thought that probably now we'll start to make some correction, but of course this may not be the case. Most of the times this is how market works, but let's see what eventually will happen at the round hour, whether we are going to see some rejection on the upper side, or the price will just continue to go up. In both cases, I told you I entered these trades because I decided to enter because the stop losses were very shallow. So I'm not risking much, but if the price started to go down, it can make 50-60 pips. But the truth is that still there is no resistance. Not good resistance, I mean. Yeah, I don't think it's really bad. Okay, let's wait to see whether the price will have the power to break this trend line or it will not. Now, if it makes a breakout, I think it will be good. The stupid thing is that in my MetaTrader, it just hit the stop loss here. The fuck. Okay. It started to get a rejection from the trend line. Let's hope to see a breakout. And fall down. DXY don't have. Come on, breakout, breakout. Okay, started to make a breakout. It feels good. Gold don't want to fall, but market sentiment show it should go down. Yeah, but sometimes no matter what the sentiments are showing, it's important where the huge players want it to go to. So let me write. That it hit the stop loss, the first one. Come on, give us 30, 40, 50 pips. So we're started to push down. Guys, if you don't want to risk it, you can move the stop loss, but I prefer to see it turn back to the downside and then move the stop loss. So again, if you decide, move the stop loss to break even so you don't risk anything more. Because the DXY started to go down. Come on, man. Come on. Still no volumes for falling, guys. Guys, I will write to the people in the group to move the stop loss on break even. So because if they are not watching, they at least be protected. I still think it's okay because now if the price starts to go down, we can see it at least probably to come to this trend line, which will grant us about, let's say, not much, but at least we will recover the first trade. But for now, no volumes. The very stupid thing, guys, in this situation is that the first trade hit my stop loss for 2 pips. 2 pips. Two pips. I told you. This week, I have a feeling that the market is playing with my nerves, is trying to test me, because I have collected probably 3, 4, 5 stop losses hit for 2 pips, and after that the price reached the take profit, which is absolutely like a joke. Okay, I want to see a breakout on the bottom here on 1 minute. DXY is pushing really hard to the downside. Gold also for now is pushing down. They are in some correlation, strange correlation. Okay. Now, guys, I think that we should wait at least the price to go to the trend line. My take profit is at 2359 on this bottom right here, but we'll see. Let's first see what the price will do eventually if it reaches this trend line here, this 5-minute trend line, because if it breaks it nice, we are gonna search for the whole profit. If not, we're going to see but I think it will reach it. Also, you can see what a good candle. If it closes like that, probably we'll see another fall, which will grant us, let's say, 20-30 pips more. But let's see, because now the price breaks the bottoms here, so it creates again like a zone. But I hope to see it first on the trend line. And again, I have to say that today the day started very stupid, because no matter that now this trade is profit on profit, first one reach my stop loss for 2 pips, which is again like the market is joking with me, but it happens sometimes. They are moments like this, I could have probably, I predicted it, but I didn't know. I thought if it starts to break this top, it will probably continue to go up. So that's why I put a shallow stop loss, and you can see why not? The price just hit it and started to fall. My stop loss is on break even now. Or if you haven't moved it, it should be right above this wick right here. But the GXY is pushing down. So probably the price will reach the zone again. Because if I have to be honest, based on the strategy that I entered, it fulfilled the whole profit. It was more like scalping strategy now. The second entry here. So but let's see, like it could be a test on this trend line, but it's pushing really hard. So probably, let me also check something. No, the volumes are down here. Okay, that it is showing that the volumes are down here, so probably there is a chance that the price goes to this area to reach the volumes, and from there to start eventually another upward movements, or let's see. If this now closes with an engulfing candle, it will be what a funny test of the trend line. Huge candles. Okay, DXY also gets a rejection. Let's see. Okay, I was banned from TikTok. Why? Frauds and scams. Someone report me. Why? I don't know. I will appeal it. But let's see. I don't think that I'm doing anything fraudulent. I'm showing you how I'm trading. Of course, every time I told you that this is not a financial advice. Everyone has a head on his shoulders. I'm looking why I got banned from TikTok, guys. If this continues, I could probably make live sessions in Telegram. I don't think that there will be problems there. Okay. We want to see a breakout on the bottom and to see what the price will do on the trend line. Where are you from? Bulgaria? Yeah. Come on. Make the breakout. And give us 20-30 pips more. So we can end on profit, no matter that it initially hit my stop loss for 2 pips first time, which was absolute joke. I should probably stop using stop losses. No, this is not a good idea. I've tried it, it's not working good. There is always one time that you will enter the wrong trade and it will F you up. Okay, didn't break the bottom with a whole candle on 1 minute, but it breaks it with a wick, so it's good, it's still good. I want to see what will happen on the trend line. You have to know that for me also it's really frustrating when things like that happen. Like today, what the hell? It hit my stop loss for 2 pips. Okay, I entered second time, and now we're on break even. If we decide to close, we're on break even. But why? I don't know why. Probably I should put bigger stop losses. I don't know. But if I put a bigger stop losses, then the return ratio will not be good, because the profit is 50 pips, and if I make 40 pips stop in this case, you can see how many trend lines here. I was not sure about it, if the price eventually will reach the whole take profit, as I am not sure now. Also, I want to see it on the trend line and eventually to see what will happen here. Let me check DXY. Okay. Okay, it's on the trend line. Let's see. On 1 minute it started. What a beautiful rejection, guys. For now. I want to see it breaking, but it will probably not be this candle. Probably it will be after 2-3 candles. Eventual breakout, if it happened. Excuse me, guys, give me just one moment. Okay. Okay, give me a little bit more, a little bit more. Let me move the profit to 59. Okay, it's getting rejected, guys, so let's wait a little bit. Let me check DXY is still pumping. Okay, good rejection for now. But I still think that it will eventually, potentially reach the volumes. So let me make one line here. The whole profit is 55 pips. It's still moving down. This happened in my chart already. Looks like I'm in the future. No, YouTube is delaying a little bit. So guys, I still think that the price will reach at least the volumes. So at least 20 pips more, but come on, man. Fall, fall. So guys, this is not a financial advice, of course, but if the price started to go nicely, because now I'm on 1 minute, I'm seeing a rejection again, but if the price starts to fall and reach the volumes, I will probably not make the take profit here, but excuse me, but eventually I will wait to see whether it will fall more because because these days most of the times when my take profit is hit, the price make 30-40 pips more. So let's see, because now you can see what a good rejection here on the trend line. whether it will break it at all, because GXY is also getting a rejection. But eventually, if the price continues to fall, I will probably be looking for closing by hand, not with reaching my take profit. Fly with me, let's fly away. Come on, stand 15 minutes. No, 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 don't. Ah, it started to get a rejection, guys. Yeah, probably this will start to go up now. If you want, guys, you can collect some profit, because it's not so sure for now what the price will do, because when it gets this kind of rejections, but let's see. On 15 minutes still. But these volumes are good here. Now I would like to see a breakout. But it looks like they are trying to push the gold down, but you can see what a huge rejection it's getting. Okay. I just told everyone to collect some profit, and of course it started to turn around. Nothing. It's better to collect something, whether now the price to return and to leave us. Appeal not approved. Your live access will not be restored. I was banned from entering live on TikTok, guys. What a stupid platform. Why you're looking at DXY? Because most of the times DXY is in opposite correlation with gold. That means if DXY is going up, gold is going down. But this is not the case always. I'm just taking a look to see whether it reached some good area, if it's going to make some breakout or something like that, which helps me to see whether it will move eventually, of course, in my direction or no. I deleted as I told you, my stop loss, my take profit. I will make a line because now it started to look very well, and probably we can even try to catch more. But of course you have to be on the pedal, on the mouse, on the phone, whenever you're watching from, because this may have to be closed fast. But let's go to the take profit and we will see about it. Okay. 40 pips. I'm still a little bit frustrated because if you're with me from the beginning, it first hit my stop loss for 2 pips. So now the price is 40 pips on profit, but actually I'm just 15 pips on profit because the stop loss was 25 pips. So that's why I'm willing to give it a try, so I can collect a little bit more profits. Guys, did you enter this trade? Did you enter the second trade? Because you're very silent, so I'm not sure if I'm alone in the trade or someone else took it also. No one is answering. That's not good. Okay. 10 pips from take profit. Actually, let me make it like that. The profit is here, but here are the volumes. guys, it started to get a rejection. It's early. It's actually not early, it's 5-minute candle is closing right now. Come on. Okay, guys, it hit the take profit. It reached the volumes, but I will wait to see whether it will reach the bottoms. But guys, I will make a video for the group now. You can see the day. Again, absolutely good analysis, good point of view from my side. But first trade, okay, the price hit my stop loss because it wanted to get the bottom, this top, to grab it like a liquidity. I thought about it that it might happen, but I was like, if it breaks here, it will probably is going to make some more moving to the upside. That's why I put a shallow stop. It hit my stop for 2 pips, and initially I entered again, of course, because you can see what a good rejection here, and the price made 60 pips. So guys, put stop loss on break even, but little bit down, and the price hit my stop loss and then go down. bad, my friend. As I told you today, the whole situation was very stupid for me also, but that's part of trading. There are days like that. The good thing about me, first, that I didn't exit still, but I'm on profit. But the important thing is that I'm on the right point of view. I see the chart right. That's important for me. That the price hit my stop loss for 2 pips. It happened. I managed to enter second trade and to exit on profit. So yeah, I think that is for now, guys. Hope you make some profits. Sorry if you hit your stop loss for the first trade. I will be trading the New York session also today, so stay aware. We might have some other trades later today. If not, guys, see you on Monday. I'm continuing. I'm here long term, so no matter that we have stop loss like today hit, we're here for the long run, so there's nothing that should worry us. Okay, guys, thank you for being with me, and see you later or see you Monday.